Hi there, Star Wars toy collectors and pop culture fans. This is Tim Hayes, and welcome back to the Tim Hayes YouTube channel. This time, I have an unboxing video. So I'm unboxing an eBay purchase this time. So, let's see what we got here. Taped. It was taped shut better than I thought it was. And we got some white packing foam. And I bought it in some bubble wrap. And Star Wars Power of the Force A-Wing fighter, and it includes an exclusive A-Wing pilot. So it's the 1997 toy rather than the mid-80s version. This one's more affordable. And even though I decided to buy it with the pilot included, I do have a reproduction of the 1985 Kenner figure. So this should work with the vintage Kenner or reproduction retro style Kenner figure. So ooh, cool, there's a little booklet in here. So this was never opened. Yeah. Back when Hasbro tried to be Kenner and got close to being somewhat like Kenner, but sadly they went way too corporate. Oh, this is cool. You get to see all the 90s Kenner Star Wars figures and toys in here. Well, not every single one, but a good portion. And Jurassic Park. Transformers Beast Wars, which that was definitely Hasbro. And then starting lineup, it's more than just the baseball players. They've got the football and basketball ones, and then Microverse, which is like something that Kenner started with Star Wars, and it carried over to Jurassic Park, The Lost World, and Batman toys. Ooh, and Tonka, that was another one that Hasbro bought out. So a lot of neat stuff in this little old Hasbro Kenner catalog. More fun from Kenner, which by the 90s it was Hasbro. So, yeah, it looks like this ship is already pre-assembled. So let's see what we've got in here. Oh, so there is a directions. Apply labels to fighter using the numbers on the label sheet and these illustrations as a guide. Okay. Well, we're almost going on to 8 minutes. I've got something in the oven, so... So how do I get this action figure out of here? It's like he's clipped into this. Oh, he's stuck in there. So that's the 90s A-Wing pilot that they made for it. And back here in my diorama, I got some of my other action figures out. I got Iceman, Firestar, and the Stan Solo movie accurate Greedo. And there's the Stan Solo recreation of the classic Kenner A-Wing pilot. So he's going to replace the guy that came with that ship. But I'm going to turn the camera off while I figure this out. And I apply these stickers after I have late night dinner. So I'll be back. And there we are. So, there's a ship got all the labels on there, and I've got the pilot that came with it, but I got this mainly so a more classic Kenner style A-wing pilot could pilot it. Something like this guy. So he lands, and then comes classic Kenner style A-wing pilot. I forget. This is supposed to. The lever's supposed to push forward or push back to raise the canopy. Oop! Knocked him down. He's okay. But knocked his little blaster out of his hand. So yeah, push that forward. I got the labels on in there and right there. It's not an easy job to do. It would have helped if they just let you put the canopy, have the canopy not on there first, and you could just take it off. Jeez. I wonder they didn't give this new guy any weapons, because yeah, you have to like twist the gun to get it to stay in there. So let's put him back here. There. Have him guarding the door. And now stand solo Kenner style, classic Kenner style A-wing pilot. He's gonna go into the ship he was originally made for, and okay. Yeah, I don't know. Seemed like maybe that cracked the second I sat him down, but I thought I had this figure sitting down before. I don't know, but oh well. So, put him into the cockpit. And then he's ready to go. So those guns, looks like maybe not, yeah, that looks like that maybe takes that apart. Yeah, you can point those down. Yeah, it looks like that wasn't glued together properly or something. So, why don't I just have him land again? So, hope you enjoyed this toy unboxing, eBay unboxing video. Finally got my Stan Solo classic Kenner style A-wing pilot figure, his own A-wing. So keep an eye out for another toy video coming soon. I have a few more things coming this month for the collection, and I still have some physical media update videos in the works, but I am just tired. So thank you again for watching, and good night. There's the A-wing pilot that came with it, and there's my Stan Solo classic Kenner style A-wing pilot. Kenner, I wish you were still around.